Alright, so this is a 2016 F150, and the window switch, just in the right rear, is just floppy, loose, doesn't do anything, so we're going to try and get it fixed up. Alright, so got this cover off. This is the top cover. We just worked it from the bottom. And then this cover goes on the lower piece here, and you can kind of come in from the left right there. There's like a little tapered portion there. Alright, with those covers off, it's 7 mil, 1, 2, 3, 4, and potentially on the bottom as well. Alright, so we popped this out, and these 3 pieces fell on the floor, and there's our switch just kind of hanging out. So to get this undone, we just got to undo this little cable right here for the latch. Alright, so we got the door panel off here, and basically once you do that, you'll only be able to pull out a little ways here, because this cable is for the actual latch, for the interior latch. But anyway, this kind of clips in here. You can see right here is a little loop, little part right there, and you just stick your screwdriver in there and push against that and pry this away, and that'll disengage. There's a little tooth right there that it disengages. So you just gotta find this little bugger and pry against it, and then this latch cable comes undone. Alright, so here is the switch. That's this part, and basically it's still attached to the harness. Everything's still on here, but it looks like these little clips right here and here have come disengaged from the actual rest of the switch. So I'm going to pull this off and try and put it all back together. I don't think actually the door switch was really that hosed up, other than it just came undone a little bit. Alright, so we got our pieces here. This is from the inside of the switch. I don't even know where those white pieces came from, probably same, but anyway, this piece slips up here, and you can see that the ears are actually like broken off right here. The part that would keep that in is gone, so ours can't be just kind of tossed back together. If you would have one that was less mutilated, that'd be alright. So we don't have that. We have like an actual new switch here, so we're gonna swap this baby out. Okay, so we tried to like just bend these tabs up quick and pull it out, but we can't really get to the bottom ones. So we're actually just gonna take this whole bezel out and then replace it after that. Okay, so now that we got the new switch back in that little trim housing, we'll just put it back in the door card here. Alright, so now with the new switch, we'll just plug it in, and the door latch cable basically goes like this. Start it in like that, and then push in like that. Alright, so the door card's back on, the switch works, we just tried it. Now we just got to put some screws in and some trim panels, so hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching.